Okay, I was finally up there past actually brake required zone. Slow down and spend more time there. I just waterboarded myself. Moths or whatever bugs are out here cheering me on. That's a little coasterino. That's nice. That feels nice being up there like that, huh? You almost got too high. Formula didn't allow for it though. That last little one scared me, that zinger, but not enough for me to squeeze that formula brake in any way, shape, or form. Oh my golly me. Famous catchphrase until I do flip it is I can come up much higher than that. Yeah, I'm getting a little tired, fatigued. Yes, 393 miles on her. Coach is giving some words of wisdom over there. Is a crazy cart, a child's toy. Shoot, let's go second. So I did adjust mode 2 a little bit, our wheelie mode, to where now it's 350 phase amps, not 300, and there's no regen whatsoever. It's still low enough to where I don't even need the rear brake like at all. I'm still down there so low. That's literally all just power wheelie territory.
Just sitting around and nobody knows what they're doing.
I know that because I haven't needed the rear brake yet to keep me from looping and pooping. Okay, I was finally up there past actually brake required zone. Slow down and spend more time there, hanging out in the old flipping territory. And I can come up much higher than that. Famous catchphrase until I do flip it is I can come up much higher than that. Oh my golly me. I was about to ask what all the screaming was, but there's a game right there, literally right on the other side of this. woolies. Stay in there. I've already lost one pair of sunglasses on a ride with the boys. I don't need to lose another one solo. Slow it down, get it up. Put the sunglasses back on, I just got a bug right in the eye. So I'm starting to get, I guess, the scary point where I'm purposely in balance point and then I'm giving it more throttle to get past balance point to where I need to use the brake to bring me back down so I can get more faith and trust in the formulas and also just understand how to modulate and play around it. Bring it down, bring it back up. Bring it down, bring it back up. Drop my goggles, but they are pretty dirty right now. Pretty smudged. At least I won't be getting bugs in the eye though. Hell yeah. Somebody's in the trailer. I don't know. Wake him up. Bike's cutting a bit of power. I am at 60%, plus it is probably getting warm from all the jerking and jacking, continuous throttle pulls. Let me make sure that my cell phone charger thing under the seat's turned off because that will draw extra power for no reason. By no reason, I mean if I'm not using it right now. There we go, now it's off. So as you see, I got two USB-A's and a USB-C, and those are all fast charging. Little upgrade. 393 miles on her. Coach is giving some words of wisdom over there. Oh yeah, it's cutting mad power. All right, I put it in mode 3 now. 400 phase amp, 13 kilowatt mode. Just to give it all the juice she's got right now.
Push it out. Everything you got. Everything you got. Everything you got.
Oh, that last little one scared me, that zinger, but not enough for me to squeeze that formula brake in any way, shape, or form. Power wheelie. Bring her up higher than that. Dude, there's a bunch of bugs flying at me in Mach speed on this road, and I don't really like that. All right, put it back in mode 2. 350 phase amps, 10 kilowatts. Go really slow and really high with these things. Higher than that, actually. I want you in that looping territory. Let that formula brake earn its paycheck, or its $300 price tag, I guess. All right, that was sick. Just coasting, roasting, coasting. That's a little coasterino. That's nice. That feels nice being up there like that, huh? Oh, you almost got too high. Formula didn't allow for it though. Okay, rocking in that old tipping point moths or whatever bugs these are out here cheering me on. Dang, man, we're getting way higher on these wheelies. It's feeling really grindy and chuggy underneath me right now. I'm not really sure why. I ain't gonna jinx nothing by saying nothing. Just stating the obvious, the fact that it does feel more vibration under my tushy, and it's a little louder than usual. Man, we getting up there now with them wheelies. Every day we getting just a little higher on them bad boys. Starting to get a little sore and tired. Did a lot of riding today, a lot of practice, I would say, and didn't eat or drink much. Phone's on too, what the heck? Yeah, it's just been in here doing stuff. I just waterboarded myself, feeding the water bottle through the top of my helmet, went up my nostril. Definitely goggles down, there's so many bugs out. Okay, all right. All right, that might be enough practice. It's like 8 now. Bike's on 55. Yeah, I'm getting a little tired, fatigued, I guess.